This logo isn't just about design, it's a story of nature and balance, crafted to leave a lasting impression. Simple elements, bold impact, and an earthy touch that stands out. Want to see how easily this came together? You're just a few clicks away from creating something just as stunning. Hi there, welcome back to DroidGraph. Let's dive right into creating this eye-catching G logo with an earthy vibe. First, as usual, open Canva and create a new design. Choose the canvas size for a logo. Next, go to the Elements menu. In the search bar, type half circle. Click on the half circle icon to add it to your design canvas. The next step is to enlarge the size of the half circle as needed and place it in the center, as shown in the example. After that, duplicate the half circle so you have two copies. Then, move the duplicated half circle to the top. Next, flip the duplicated half circle vertically. Combine the two to form a complete circle. For the next step, duplicate the top half circle. Then change its color to white, so it matches the background. Now, reduce the size of the white semicircle, then place it in the center of the black semicircle at the top. After that, go to the Elements menu and select a rectangle shape. Resize the rectangle's width to match the width of the black curve at the top. Next, rotate the rectangle 90 degrees. Now, place the rectangle on the middle right side, as shown in the example. Change its color to white to match the background. Alright, now we move on to the next part. In the Elements menu, type Water into the search bar. Scroll down until you find this icon. Click the icon to add it to the canvas. Flip its position horizontally so the leaf part is on the left side. Then enlarge the size of this icon as needed and position it as shown in the example. Next, we move on to coloring the logo. First, change the color of the bottom half circle to green to match the leaf. Then, don't forget to change the color of the top half circle. Change it to blue to represent the earth. At this stage, feel free to experiment with different colors to find the perfect combination. Okay, we've successfully created the logo we wanted. The next step is to add text to the logo. Go to the Text menu, and you're free to name your logo however you like. I'm going to name it Nature G. Increase the text size to 50. Next, move the text to position it below the logo. I'm using the Cooper Hewitt font. Then, change the text color to green, except for the letter G, which will be blue. You can also add a tagline below the main logo text. For the tagline text size, make sure it's smaller than the main text. You can use size 16 for the tagline. To keep the design cohesive, I'll use blue for the tagline. Alright guys, the logo is done. What do you think? Super easy, right? Now it's your turn to try making one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click like and share it with your friends who might need design ideas. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos. Alright, see you in the next video. Let's keep learning and creating together.